Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's look is very different. It's very glossy and I have used different products. So just started with my strobe cream. You can use any strobe cream at this point, and then just I'm applying some highlighter, liquid highlighter, and trying to buff it out. We want that very glowy Instagrammy look, so I'm going for that. Just apply some BB cream. We don't want our base to be heavy. We want to look glowy from within actually. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Just doing my eyebrows very quickly, very important, don't skip on it. You can check all the other makeup tutorials in the playlist down below. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me there. I'm very active there. So this product I will use 3 ways. You're going to see that in 1 second. I applied my blush, and then I'm going to use same and do my eyeshadow with the same blush. We have to make use of our products here. Apply some in the lower lash too. You thought I was going to apply that in lips? No. Use that lip gloss in your eyes and you'll get that very glossy look. So I'm going for very pinky look, and I'm going to apply the same blush in my lips also, because I don't want a lipstick because I'm going for very glowy look. Just applied some lip gloss over it, and then as our face is very neutral, I went ahead with blue color mascara to give some color to our face, and this is the final look. Thank you.